Welcome geniuses, I'm Genie, your best buddy for A-levels. In this channel, we'll bring you to explore the secret formula behind success.
For this question, when they ask you for the gain in GPE, remember gain in GPE just depends only on mg times the vertical height. So since both of them have the same mg, alright, same mass, and the same vertical height they gain, so they'll definitely have the same GPE. So the answer is either A or B, because the other one, C and D, they said they have different GPE. But which one does more work? Now remember, work done is product of force and distance moved in the direction of the force. So if you're doing A, your force is F vertically, your distance traveled is also H vertically, so your work done is FH. But if you're finding the work done for Y, the F is diagonal, so you must times the diagonal distance S. So you will notice from a right angle triangle, S is definitely longer than your vertical height here, H. S is longer than H, so therefore you have more work done. So there'll be more work done on Y. Okay?
That's all for today's video. If you're interested in more genuine sharing by other geniuses, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, ding dong. Also, if you're struggling with one or two past year questions and the mark scheme just doesn't seem to help, Genie has got you covered. Feel free to let us know what question it is by filling in the Google form linked in the description below. GenieUs Hub will get genius teachers to fulfill your request for the solution. Genie will see you next time. Bye-bye.